So this is how I was supposed to set up the camera yesterday. Put the cameras on the car and get to driving. Set them up. Set it up together so the audio matches. That's what I was supposed to do. The AC is on, and so when I check this later, I should check the volume, check the sound, to see if I can hear myself over the AC. The AC is on full blast right now. The radio is now on too.
You couldn't remember basic things. You couldn't remember the code to the safe that we bought. And then things came to a head when I went for a walk with my mother in the neighborhood, and we were walking back, and she was telling me that they had driven out to the local mall the previous weekend, and my father had gotten lost coming home.
I had to put the trash can. I had to move the trash can.
Concerning because it was just a new
make it
for them.
A little bit more accessible for
the car.
The other tenants.
And
this video should not be shown.
Stop drivers
I'm actually leaving
to go home. Instead of
my residence. This should not be. This part should not be shown.
In the area.
All right, so I'm headed to get a donut and some coffee from Randy's.
Your father has Alzheimer's, and that was the first time that word had been uttered in my family.
Come on, man.
You know, we had been sort of skirting the issue because, I mean, we talk about the denial of people who have dementia, you know, who don't recognize their own deficits. But
yep. So we're rolling now.
Family members, and I
want to get an express car wash.
Say, well,
take care of this because there's a cat in the neighborhood who climbed on my car last night.
Once he gets more accustomed to being in,
don't appreciate that. All right, peace.
But my mother, I mean, I think most listeners.
All right, the sunroof is now open, so I should have some better sunlight, some better lighting in the car. So
for a lot of people,
I switched it up just to get that effect. I have to be mindful of these details when I film, alright? Peace. No. All right, there you go, boss. Black and the sugar from the donut.
Oh, yeah.
So, thank you.
All right, have a good
one. The coffee was so hot. Man, just burned my tongue. Let's go to a World Trade Center to see Michelle. Turn it up. I won't take another sip of the coffee until a long time from now. It's too hot. The battery is running down, and I want to capture some shots rolling around LA. The AC is on, but it's at the lowest setting. The radio is on. This is 29 decibels. If you can hear it, it's at 29. All of the windows are rolled up. Riding on the 10 freeway. We're just passing Robertson's exit, coming up along La Cienaga's exit. The coffee is still too hot to drink. The donut is still sweet. Hamilton High School is over here to the left. I went to Hamilton High School. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over here. Right here. That's the exit right there. La Cienega is right over there. Well, again, the exit hasn't come up yet. It's coming up though. Here comes La Cienega. So I am projecting my voice. So if you hear me clearly, that's because I'm projecting my voice. But if I were to just talk talk at this decibel level right here, then I don't know if you can pick it up as well. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna turn the music up to get a little bit of jam. Hopefully you can hear it. The Coup, Not Yet Free.
But if we're made of that, who made us? And what can we do to change us? The oppressor tries to take
50 decibels.
Well, since the days when I was shitting in diapers, it was evident the president didn't like us. Assassination attempts, I grew full of snipers. My teacher told me that I didn't know what right was. Well, she was wrong because I knew what a right was. And a left and an uppercut too. I had a bunch of sucker punches what my people got. That's why I was constantly red black. Hey man, I'm with my birds here. Nah, this is not yet freestyle, because we not yet free. Fuck it. Who y'all wanna throw some shots out to?
Sitting in traffic in Los Angeles on the 10. I used to take the 10 freeway to school at Cal Poly Pomona. I drove this way for 7 years. And driving eastbound on the 10, in the mornings it's always empty. It was literally a freeway. But the westbound 10 right now is what's free. It's empty. And there's traffic over here on the eastbound 10 freeway. It's a role reversal, or a reversal of fortunes. Listening to The Coup. The song is I Know You by The Coup. It's 82 degrees outside. We're traveling about 16 miles per hour. Going under the underpass at the sign reads Vermont Avenue, Hoover Street, Freeway 110, and Grand Avenue. About a mile and a half away. There's a police highway patrolman pulled over someone to the right, to my right. It looks like there's the reason for the traffic. There seems to be street cleaning, something, lane closed over there to my right. There's a sheriff. Yeah, it's like Caltrans work on the side of the road. All right, now we're clear. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's move. Back on the freeway, back on the 10, moving. We were always on the 10, but back to moving on the 10. Back to rolling. It's a overcast. No, not an overcast. It's a hazy day today. Shout out to Hassan Hayes. What's up, man? Yeah, it's hazy, especially in the distance. Like overhead, it doesn't look it. It looks blue. The sky looks, just a blanket of blue. But in the distance, near the mountains, on the horizon, there's a bit of haze. It's like a white cloud of haze, a white haze. All right, y'all. Those are my comments on the freeway. Peace.